Title: Discovery of the Mysterious Treasure. Plot summary: in the vibrant and magical world of Treasure Island, a group of adventurous animal friends sets off on a thrilling quest to uncover a legendary treasure hidden deep within the island's lush jungles and ancient caves. Their journey is filled with excitement, challenges, and valuable life lessons about teamwork, bravery, and friendship. Main characters: Leo the lion, the brave and determined leader of the group. Known for his strength and courage, Mia the mouse, the clever and resourceful member, always finding creative solutions to problems. Ollie the owl, the wise and knowledgeable guide. With a knack for reading maps and deciphering clues, Ruby the rabbit, the fast and agile scout, excellent at navigating through tricky terrains. Sammy the squirrel, the energetic and playful friend. Always keeping spirits high with his enthusiasm. Storyline: the discovery of the map. One sunny morning, while exploring the forest near their village, Sammy the squirrel stumbles upon an old, dusty map hidden inside a hollow tree. The map, covered in mysterious symbols and drawings, hints at a hidden treasure buried somewhere on Treasure Island. Excited by the discovery, Sammy rushes back to the village to share the news with his friends. Assembling the team, Leo, Mia, Ollie, and Ruby gather around to examine the map. Ollie, with his wisdom and knowledge, deciphers the ancient symbols and determines the first location they need to explore. With their plan set, the friends pack their supplies and set off on their grand adventure. Eager to uncover the secrets of the island, the jungle journey, river crossing, the friends come across a wide, fast-flowing river. Using Mia's ingenuity, they construct a makeshift raft to cross safely, working together to navigate the challenging waters. Cave exploration: deep in the jungle, they find a hidden cave entrance marked on the map. Inside, they face a series of puzzles and traps. Ollie deciphers clues, Mia finds hidden levers, and Ruby uses her agility to avoid the traps, showcasing their teamwork. Mountain climb. The map leads them to a towering mountain. As they climb, they encounter steep cliffs and loose rocks. Leo's strength and courage help them overcome these obstacles, while Sammy keeps everyone motivated with his infectious enthusiasm. The final challenge: at the peak of the mountain, they find a massive stone door with intricate carvings. Ollie reads an inscription that reveals the final riddle. Working together, they solve the riddle, and the door slowly opens, revealing a hidden chamber filled with sparkling treasure and ancient artifacts. The treasure of friendship. As the friends marvel at the treasure, they realize that the true treasure lies in their friendship and the journey they shared. They decide to take only a few meaningful artifacts and leave the rest for future adventurers. They return to their village as heroes, with stories of their incredible adventure and the valuable lessons they learned. Conclusion: the friends celebrate their successful quest with a grand feast in the village. They share their tales of bravery, teamwork, and the importance of friendship, inspiring others to embark on their own adventures. The story ends with the friends looking out at the horizon, ready for their next great journey, knowing that together, they can overcome any challenge. Visual elements: Treasure Island, a vibrant and diverse landscape with lush jungles, flowing rivers, hidden caves, and towering mountains. Map discovery: a detailed and ancient treasure map filled with mysterious symbols and drawings. Character designs: expressive and distinct 3D animated animals, each with unique features and personalities. Action sequences: dynamic scenes of river crossing, cave explorations, mountain climbing, and solving puzzles. Treasure chamber: a breathtaking hidden chamber filled with sparkling treasures and ancient artifacts. Heartwarming moments: scenes of friendship, teamwork, and celebration. highlighting the joy of shared adventures and discoveries. Discovery of the Mysterious Treasure is an exciting 3D animated cartoon story that promises thrilling adventures, valuable lessons, and the enduring power of friendship.